What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper focused on them infill lots. You hear me? You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I want to welcome you. Thank you for checking me out. If you could be so kind, go ahead and subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and like this video. And also, if you find anything valuable, go ahead and drop me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Today I'm going to be talking about how to wholesale land to developers. Okay. Builders and developers are, in my opinion, two different people. So, builders typically, build houses, spec houses, Developers typically develop stuff like townhouses, apartment buildings, commercial storage. All right. So I just want to get a definition for what does. Just want a definition. It's a business process encompassing activities that range from. I'm not going to skip you with all the boring. I'm gonna miss you with the boring stuff, okay? But I'm gonna show you how to find these developers. All right. So, if you're not familiar with this tool right here, it's called Regrid. This tool is free. Don't cost you nothing, Nathaniel, Nautica. Alright, so you're looking for developers. You're looking for people who develop subdivisions. You're looking for these type of people. These people are going to be at the top of this list. Your developers is going to be holding a lot of properties. Let's try North Carolina. I don't know why I got South Carolina on there. Alright, North Carolina. Boom. Alright, I need to go back to my list. Where is my list? Alright, boom. Cool. Alright, so your developers is going to be like pretty at the top of this list. And these are the people who are going to be developing subdivisions. Okay. Alright, I'm going to show you how to reverse engineer this process to find them land that they want. Okay. Very, very easy to do. It's a little bit more challenging with getting these developers on the phone per se than personally. But they do usually have a full team of acquisitions, dispositions, closers, everything you can think of. Okay, so don't worry, be happy. All right, so the Pulte Home Company. This is a pretty big company, developer in my area. And basically, it says they own 2,121 properties. All right, it's too big for me to. The list is too big for me to see on list form. It usually lights up on my. It usually lights up here when I click on it. Let me see. Maybe I'm not zoomed in enough. Alright, there we go. Got action. Alright, so you got to zoom in order to light it up. Alright, zoom in and light it up. Alright. Alright, so again, I was looking at this company called Pulte. And alright. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not sure why that's not. I wonder did they turn it green? They probably did. Let's see. David. Alright, cool. All right, so you really, developers is people who built like these townhouses. This is the developer, okay? Townhouses, okay? What we want to do is find this person and then not only find them, but see what else they're developing in the area. So the quickest way to do this is we're in Mecklenburg County, so Pulte Group. Let me see, list. All right, Lenore Homes, boom. Okay. Let me try this one more time. All right, didn't work for me. All right, so let's go for the other workaround. Couldn't get it to work. Go to PropStream. If you don't have PropStream, you need to get PropStream. So you want to go to PropStream, go to Charlotte, North Carolina, or whatever city you want to find a developer in. All right, make sure everything's cleared out. All right, cool. All right, ownership, you only want corporate. Okay. All right, and you want, click on property characteristics. All right, so we don't want to target, basically we don't want to target land here. We want to target houses, residential. All right, and we want to target, let's see, they got row house. That didn't work. Let's go with condo townhouse. Alright. And then you want to go year built. Property characteristics. You want to do 2021. Alright, so this is a townhouse. This is what I would call a developer. You see how beautiful, well, unfortunately, it won't let me show you the pictures. But let's go to the history. And you want to do some research, okay? Alright, so as I can see, Michael, MLS details. Alright, so they just built some units right here off the plaza. They built 4 units. And wow, look how they did it. On a small little lot. Wow. They did all that on a small lot. So basically what you want to do is you want to skip trace these people. And once you skip trace them, you'll get their phone number, but you want to go to their link properties. And as you can see all the names that they're running under. So once you got all the names that they're running under, you can basically search around where they own stuff at. So like he owns stuff on Florida Avenue. You can search around that. And these are developers because these people develop like townhomes. Like you can see big as day. And that's basically how you find a developer. Sorry this video was like super long-winded. I thought I was going to be able to do it pretty quick and regrid, but wasn't able to do it. But thank you for your patience. Again, this person is a developer. You want to reach out to them. You know what I'm saying? You want to shoot your shot. Are you buying any more lots in Charlotte? Where do you want lots at? Alright. So I appreciate you for checking me out. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, go ahead and subscribe. KB Holdings LLC. They've been in the game since 2014. Kenneth Bell. Alright. And the finest phone number is right here. Alright. Gone like the wind.